Hey, I buy clipper. Hey, I buy clipper. Bakabi. Hey, I buy clipper. What? Hey, I buy clipper. Yeah. One time, you know. Youngster. Oh, na 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 na. Na 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 na. Yeah, one time, yeah. Baby Chana, Baby Chana. Ola bikabulunji uma baby Chana. Ukuli duwa kavidi kwe koyoresha. Maniki wa pediki wanga tabu. Basi go buviri mwato buliyo. Basi be misono mwato jiriko. Hey, I buy clippers, we body go. If you wanna trend in style and fashion, follow us. Hey, I buy clippers. Hey, I buy clippers. Morris, the crochet.
Alright, yes, welcome. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Yes, good morning, good evening, good afternoon to everyone who is watching. And yes, the previous hairstyle is the one that is trending right now in my country, and that is junky locks. So as you have seen all the information, that is how it does. And yes, you can always do it if you really want to do it. It is called junky locks. Now today we are going to see something that is very, very interesting, and this is a wave that we are going to be doing. But all in all, we need to focus on how we have been doing our waves. Like mostly the people have been doing their waves, but in a different way. So this time around, I want we try to change a little bit, because for me, I feel that whenever you're doing a curly wave, you can always try to create any way of sewing it on. Yes, we are going to sew it on, but this time around we are doing these kind of cornrows, and I would like you to join me and as we're doing this together, so that you can see this creativity and maybe you will learn something from this.
You got the touch of a Christian master, yeah. Oh no, no, no.
Got those around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oh, you get the one more yaka. Morris, the crochet master, did a make on you, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Morris the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto waza, beauty na chichayo.
Right, so we have done this cornrow, and this is our anti-itchy oil called MDC hair product. To those ones who would want to purchase it, please just go right in my description. You'll find the link that is going to take you through, and you get yourself all these products. Yes, we have the shampoos, the detangler, both for the kids and for you. Now here I'm going to try to do it differently, like the way I said that when it comes to a curly wave, I always feel like I can do anything from it. Why? It's just because I feel like still I can sew it like I'm doing the crochet, because whenever we are adding in the crochet, this is how we always we follow like the cornrows, if someone is going to hold it puff or something like that. So this one I also do it following these procedures so that they can also help me. But the only thing that I don't do is to trim someone's wave, so I always move with it as I'm following all these line. So whenever I reach, I just wrap it going upwards or maybe going downwards, so I don't trim someone's wave. So when, like, the way you can see that when I reach at a certain point, now the only thing is just to wrap it, bring it this side, okay, but not trimming someone's wave. So those are the only thing that we always have to be careful, very very careful, when we're trying to sew people's human waves, because they really buy them very expensive. So you just have to be careful when you're trying to sew them without cutting. Maybe at least if you're cutting, it just needs like maybe where it is necessary. Sometimes like maybe as you're finishing up or something else, but don't trim it or don't cut it just like that. So here we go. When I reach here, of course my wave is there. I have to go back a little bit, and then I try to make sure I also wrap it to go on these other cornrows. So when I reach there, still I do the same thing as the way I'm doing it. So someone is going to ask herself, like, seriously, what can really come out from this? But this is very very interesting, and it is a technique that you can always do. And trust me, whenever you do it, if you learn how to do this, it is going to help you a lot. Because to those ones who always do like these long waves, you'll find like you can be able even to hold a puff, okay, even to hold a puff, and then your wave looks very nicely. So let's continue and see how this is going to look like.
He got the touch of a Christian master. Yeah. Oh no, no, no.
Got those around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oyingi de wongo yaka, yeah. Morris the crochet master did a make on you, yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Morris the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto wasa, beauty najita.
Make it like going in a circle way. But that one, you always reach at the point of like both foreheads. When you look at this side, like the both corners, you make sure that they're all equal. Like this side is equivalent to the other side, like on that same line, and then you start taking your wave like going around, okay? That is the number one thing that you can always do when it comes to that. So you can see it is done. That's why you may think maybe I've cut it, but I have not. So this is how we continue. To those ones who want to achieve the fringe, but now we all know how fringe are very very difficult when it comes to braiding them. Fringe are very difficult. So what we do, we have to make sure that at least this side is also equivalent to the other side, so still we come to reach on the same line. Because when you see here, this side is more of like even on top of the corner, so we have to do that also to bring this side so that it can also reach at the corner. So I think we can also try to add on that line. So as we continue, you're going to see how I'm trying to keep on rolling it, going behind. But as you can see, the fringe is not supposed to be like very very behind. So what you do in front, you don't move a lot, but now behind you keep on moving, okay? Like maybe you can add like 3 layers or 4, so that for it creates the volume behind. But in front you don't over move, because our center is supposed to be like in the middle, not like behind at the corner, okay? So that is how you control the circle, and you really control it until you reach at the exactly center the way you want it, and then you start trimming. So here what I'm going to teach you is all about How do you trim a fringe? Because that is also something that is very, very important. A fringe is a hairstyle that is very, very difficult, and it has failed many hairstylists just because if you don't follow its role, you find like you're failing. And most of the times, even our clients are the ones that makes those problems when it comes to that. You find like maybe you saw something on a certain video or maybe on certain page and you want it exactly, but as long as you reach a certain point you find like since it is the fringe and the hair is falling in your face, so you want to change, maybe yours should not overfall in your face. But trust me, the way you saw it, it is the way it's supposed to be. Now, if you try to force it, like for you, you don't want it to overfall in your face, trust me, you're going to look either old or the fringe is not going to come out soon. Because we have the fringe that covers the eyebrows, like the one that is always just on the eyes, like just at the eyebrows, and then that one that is just slightly above the eyebrows. Okay, those are the two fringe. But now if you try to cut the fringe and you bring it to the like in the middle of the forehead, trust me, if it is for the person who is young, trust me, it's going to look old. That's why the way we trim, like maybe our mothers or maybe like those people who are in 50s 70s, the way we do their fringe is different from the girls, like those ones of 20, 20, 25, 30. It is totally different. So those things are very, very common. Like people might do mistakes just from their clients when they try to advise them, but the fringe remains at the fringe. Okay, so let's see the outcome, how it is going to look like.
Don't around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oyingite wongoyaka. Morris, the crochet master, did a make on you, yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Morris, the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto wansa, beauty na
Skeletal waves. Yes, you have to make sure that you have these big combs so that you don't spoil the curls. Okay, that is how you can style these curls and they come out very, very nicely. So we don't have to over trim it, we just have to remove those tangled ones and then we add our hair moss and then there we are good to go. My name is Maurice, the crochet master. Thank you so much for those ones who have been with me ever since we started. And yes, those ones who would want to purchase my products, you just follow that link in the description. It is going to take you through and you get yourself those products. Yes, from the shampoo to the treatment and the oil. You get it? Bye-bye, but please don't forget to like the video. May the Lord bless you all.
You look so good, nobody do it like Maurice.